And the local government minister is promising to provide the money in the new fiscal year to begin the process of rebuilding the Highgate market in St. Mary. But the expenditure was not listed in the capital budget that was made public for the ministry in the 2026-2027 fiscal year. But speaking at a function in St. Mary recently, Minister Desmond McKenzie made this announcement.
I'm waiting now on the proposal for the upgrade of the Port Maria market because it was built to accommodate shops and other such things upstairs. I'm waiting on that. We spoke about the Highgate market. Once the design has been examined, we are going to be making arrangements in this new financial year to provide the funds to commence the rebuilt Highgate market. And that is a commitment that the government is making.
The Highgate market was destroyed by fire nearly 4 years ago in July 2022, leading to millions of dollars in losses. But the local government minister, who was handing over 2 buses donated to the Sandals Foundation to the Jamaica Fire Brigade, well, he was speaking at this handover to improve their emergency response time.
In this year's budget, we have provided the money to purchase the lands to construct a new fire station in Balaclava. Questions are asked, what happened to Ulster Spring? When I speak in the sectorial budget presentation later, I will be speaking as to where we are with Ulster Spring and what the intentions are. But I want to assure Minister Montague that one of the ambulances, when it is retrofitted, will remain here permanently in St. Mary. And the other one will be placed in St. Anne.
And of course, the minister was speaking at the handover for 2 units to the Fire Brigade from the Sandals Foundation. We take another break, but please stay with us because the Ray of Hope is next.
Cover your bills with a Quartz Ready Cash loan. Expenses adding up? Put some extra cash in your pockets with a loan of up to $1.12 million. Quick approval, convenient locations, no collateral, minimal documentation. Call us at 876-926-21104. Apply in store or online today at quartzreadycash.com. Cover all your bills with a Quartz Ready Cash loan. Quartz Ready Cash, ready when you are. Promotion ends March 31, 2026. Conditions apply.
A practical tip for efficient and safe food preparation. Brought to you by
top quality meat, frozen veg, seafood and processed meats at affordable prices.
Nation's Choice, always your best value. Prep ingredients early. Chop vegetables, marinate protein.